Today we will learn how to find the image of a line with respect to another line. Now we are going to find the equation of the image of this straight line Lx plus my plus n equals 0 relative to the straight line Ax plus by plus c equals 0. This straight line will basically be acting as a mirror. Let this dotted line be the image of this straight line Lx plus my plus n equals 0. And also let the point P, xy be any random point on this image. Since the point P is on the image of P will lie on the straight line Lx plus my plus n equals 0 and also on the line that is perpendicular to Ax plus by plus c equals 0. Let the image of P lying on this straight line be P dash. We learned how to find the coordinates of the mirror image of a point using the coordinates before. Click this info card to learn how. So the coordinates of P dash can be given as x minus 2a into ax plus by plus c over a squared plus b squared and y minus 2b into ax plus by plus c over a squared plus b squared. Here we can see that as the point P varies along the image, P dash also varies accordingly along this line Lx plus my plus n equals 0. And this relationship remains the same throughout this straight line. Since this relationship remains unaltered, it is the equation of the image. So then we can get the equation of the image by substituting the coordinates of P dash into this equation. So that will give us L into x minus 2a into ax plus by plus c over a squared plus b squared plus m into y minus 2b into ax plus by plus c over a squared plus b squared plus n equals 0. When we open these two brackets, we get Lx minus 2al into ax plus by plus c over a squared plus b squared plus my minus 2bm into ax plus by plus c over a squared plus b squared plus n equals 0. We can take Lx, my and n separately, and here we can see that minus 2 into ax plus by plus c over a squared plus b squared is common for these two terms. So by factorizing it, we can get the final equation of this image as Lx plus my plus n minus 2 into al plus mb into ax plus by plus c over a squared plus b squared equals 0. You cannot directly use this equation in your exams. You need to first prove this formula and then use it. Before that, you will also have to prove the coordinates of the mirror image of a point since you are also using it here. Let's try an example. We are asked to find the mirror image of the line x minus y plus 4 equals 0 with respect to the line 2x plus y minus 1 equals 0. So here L equals 1, M equals minus 1 and N equals 4. Also A equals 2, B equals 1 and C equals minus 1. So by using this formula, we can write the equation of the image as x minus y plus 4 minus 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into 1 multiplied by 2x plus y minus 1 over 2 squared plus 1 squared equals 0. So as we simplify this even more, we can get the image of this line x minus y plus 4 equals 0 as x minus 7y plus 22 equals 0. Now for the tip of the day. This formula will be very useful when you solve questions related to parallelograms, rhombus and even squares. If you are given the equation of the diagonal and a side of a parallelogram, then you can find the equation of the adjacent side by using this formula since it will be the image of the side. By considering the diagonal as a mirror, you can find the equation of the adjacent side. Comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions regarding our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to keep yourself updated on our weekly published videos. Until we meet again, take care.